Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over a set of 3 brand new items from NU2U products. These here are specifically for the Gozney Arc XL pizza oven. So when you order these, you're going to get a set of 3. And all of these items are called flame tamers. And an important note about these flame tamers is that you do not have to do any modifications to your pizza oven. All of these clip on, and I'm just gonna flip these over and show you. So it's a very quick installation process, and you can also remove them very quickly as well. So inside your pizza oven, you'll notice that there's a little piece of metal, a ridge that is sticking upward, and they clip on right here. So in between the little prongs here and the metal bar that just slips right in. It takes 2 seconds to do. So I'll start off with the first one, and this one here is considered the beginner's model. The first thing you're going to notice is that this one here is much different from these two here. There's only one entrance point for heat to come in here versus these ones here. So you notice both of these have a bend. So the bend in both of these was designed to be a fire shield. So when this is installed, the extreme bend will force the flame to go up and around the top of the dome of the pizza oven. So it's really going to protect the left side of your pizza crust while it's baking. And all of these models were designed for windy conditions. So on a windy day, you'll notice that with any of these flame tamers, the flame is going to be much more in control, a little bit more protected from the wind that is entering the pizza oven. So this one here, really designed for a beginner, and this is where I am going to start, and I'm probably going to stay with this one for quite some time. And then we've got the middle one here, so this is kind of more like a medium or kind of like semi-advanced, I guess you could say. And then the second variation, we have the same bend as the first one, but you'll notice that there are a lot more air holes on this model. So this allows much more heat to come directly out and hit the side of your pizza crust. And again, it's great with the wind. It reduces that wind hitting the flame. And then for the final variation, you notice that there is no bend compared to both of these. So if the only thing that you're concerned about is having the flame go out on windy conditions, this one here is the one to go with. So because this one does not have the bend, it's going to allow more of that flame to go directly up and then around the dome of the pizza oven, whereas these two try to force it a little bit the other way. So if you want more information about the flame tamers from NU2U products, I'll put a link to them down underneath this video in the description box. So at this point, I'm going to go and install this one here. I'll take you along with me. This is the one that I'm going to be using for many months because I am a beginner. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the flame tamer. So you can see the existing piece of metal. This has the little flaps. I'll just take this, I'll just put it over, and there we go. And it's installed. It's that easy. So now I'll show you how easy it is to remove it, and this must be done when the oven is completely cool. You just reach in, just lift it, and there you go. It's done. To finish off the video, I wanted to show you the difference between the flame tamer on and off. So here we have it off, and this is the flame at low, and now I'll turn it up. Alright, just to finish off our video, I thought I would get the flame going and just show you how the flame tamer works. So right now it is installed. This is on low flame, and now I'm going to turn it right up to high. And now you can see how well that flame tamer works. I'll turn it down again. And there's high. And you can see that flame tamer is really holding that flame back. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate it. And if you're on Instagram or Facebook, you can check me out at BakeLikeAPro. So once again, these are the flame tamers from NU2U products, and I'll put all of the information to these exact items down in the description box below this video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.